Hi, this is going to be another unboxing video of a winter hat from Canada Goose. So this is a hat that I got and it just got delivered today. Um, Let me do a real close-up. Um, so it's a men's hat, Arctic, Arctic disc rib talk, black noir. This is one size fit all kind of hat, right? And then this one came in this package, and if you look closely, this polythene bag also says Canada Goose. Um, so let's go ahead and open the bag and get the hat out. So let me put this bag on the side and let's put the hat here. Let me do a close-up. Okay, so on the front you can see the Canada Goose logo. Let me do a real close-up, and then let me get the tag real close. Yeah, so this one says Arctic Desk Rib Talk, Black Noir. This is one size. Um, there's another paper on the top, and doing another close-up. It just says one size. Oh yeah, so one thing to note, this one retails for 195 US dollars. I got this hat from Nordstrom here in Northern California. If you look around and then if you feel it, this seems pretty heavy as well. And then, okay, let me see, turn this way. Okay, so if you open it up, like, so this is how it looks. And then when you fold it up, this goes like this. And then let's see like the details inside the hat. Okay, so let me do a real close up here. So there's a tag that says Canada Goose here, and then let's see what else is there. So this is like the color, style, and then here I think there's some number here. This one says Canada Goose here. Some instructions about the hat, and I think that's it. I got this hat. So this one is like my second winter hat. Let's compare it to the other one that I have. So this one is a different wool compared to the other one that I have. So let me bring that one here as well. Okay, so I got these two hats. So the other one is it's from Montclair, and let me put them side by side and just to do a comparison of these hats. On a feel wise, you can probably I can probably feel that the Montclair hat is a bit lighter and the Canada Goose one is heavier. Um, if you see on the touch wise as well, this is uh, also wool, but this feels like more like smooth. Wherever the texture on the Canada Goose, you can feel um, this has like a texture to it. Let me do another quick comparison in terms of the size of the hat. So the Canada Goose here goes on the bottom, and then I will put the Montclair on top of it. So size wise, I think both. Obviously, let's say if Montclair is on top, you cannot see the Canada Goose one, which is on the bottom. So size wise, I think uh, they are similar, same size. I think one size, obviously. Um, and then let's do it the other way. If you have Montclair on the bottom and then Canada Goose on top. Yeah, so the Canada Goose covers the Montclair one. Um, it does feel like that the the volume of the Canada Goose one is a little bit more, but I assume since Montclair one feels more stretchy, um, it can fit, like it can also easily fit um, two different sizes, right? Like to fit different sizes of heads, right? So I think this was like one of the things that I also wanted to make sure that that I capture in the video. These both of these hats are one size, and I think anyone can wear both of them without any to worry about the sizes, right? Um, the Canada Goose one is less, it's more sturdier, like less stretchy, but like Montclair one feels and look like very soft and stretchable more compared to Canada Goose. Okay, guys, so I think this was a quick comparison between the hats from Canada Goose and Montclair. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for future videos. Once again, I want to thank you for your time.